G'day folks. Well, I got our granddaughter coming round with her new boyfriend tonight for a dinner. Sprung it on us pretty quickly. We're going to have black bean, steak and black bean, sautéed prawns, honey chili chicken, some sautéed chicken wings and some boiled rice. Just thought I might go through how we got into cooking Asian foods. Back in around about 1978, got an interest in wanting to do some Chinese and went out and bought this book. So Women's Weekly Cooking Class Cookbook. 1978 it was first published, and the first bit of cooking I did out of it was steak and black bean. I've been cooking it for, 40 odd years, 45 years. Done a lot of alterations to the original recipe, made it a lot easier and I think a lot tastier. So we might just video that tonight, put that up on the web and go from there. One of the other recipes out of this book is one at the back of the book, and that's hot ice cream balls. We did that for a long time, but it's quite an effort to make it up and cook it all up, but might give it a go again another night and see how we go with it.